The Tongtai TCDM-412CL is a high-precision four-spindle PCB drilling system engineered for accuracy, speed, and reliability in multilayer board production. Powered by the Sieb Meyer CNC-84 controller, the same platform used in Lenz drilling systems, operators benefit from a familiar interface and consistent programming workflow across machines. Each of the four independent drilling heads operates autonomously, allowing up to 4 panels to be drilled at once at different scales. Each station applies its own XY scaling and rotation adjustments for unmatched registration accuracy on challenging materials and mixed material stack-ups. Integrated CCD cameras locate panel fiducials and automatically correct for expansion, contraction, or rotation, ensuring every hole lands exactly where it should. Linear motors deliver smooth, backlash-free motion at speeds up to 80 meters per minute. Each spindle supports up to 450 tools, allowing for extended production runs and minimal downtime. With an impeccable drilling accuracy and repeatability within 2 microns, this system meets the demands of Class 3 high-reliability PCB manufacturing. Designed with a rigid 8,500 kilogram frame, advanced motion control, and intelligent alignment, the TCDM-412CL delivers both speed and precision for today's most demanding PCB applications. High throughput, repeatable accuracy, and cross-platform compatibility, this is the Tongtai TCDM-412CL.